With the state of Michigan begging for more help from the federal government, tonight the president is engaging in a war of words with Governor Gretchen Whitmer. And as Ross Jones tells us now, it has some wondering if it will put a hold on much needed aid to our state.
We've had a big problem with a woman governor from, who I'm talking about, from Michigan. So we can't, we don't like to see the complaints.
He didn't remember her name, but President Trump didn't hesitate to take shots at Governor Gretchen Whitmer last night on Fox News.
You're governor of Michigan. I mean, she's not stepping up. I don't know if she knows what's going on, but all she does is sit there and blame the federal government. She doesn't get it done, and we send her a lot. Now she wants a declaration of emergency, and, we'll have to make a decision on that.
Whitmer has been critical of the federal government's response to the COVID-19 outbreak, citing a lack of tests, ventilators, and face masks. This morning, she responded on WWJ radio.
I don't go into personal attacks. I don't have time for that. I don't have energy for that, frankly. All of our focus has to be on COVID-19 right now, right here.
The comments come at a time when Michigan needs help from the feds more than ever. Earlier this week, Whitmer urged Trump to declare a major disaster in Michigan, which would give the state access to emergency federal funds.
We have to be all hands on deck here, and personal attacks are never something that I've engaged in. It's not something I'm going to participate in now. I need help out of the federal government. We all do.
And it's got to be hard to keep her cool, but she has to do it.
Matt Friedman is a public relations expert and says Whitmer should try to appeal to Trump behind the scenes, away from television cameras and Twitter. He gave the governor high marks for how she's communicated since the crisis began, not so much for the president.
While I'm strongly recommending that the governor follow the fundamentals of good, solid crisis communication, sooner or later, it'd be nice if the White House would too.
And while all this is playing out, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers is in Detroit in search of alternate care facilities throughout the city, places to put patients when hospitals become too full. They surveyed 7 sites, including the TCF Center, the Pistons' new practice facility, and 2 dormitories at Wayne State. When it comes to selecting those alternate care sites, the Army Corps of Engineers tells me tonight that will be a decision made by the state of Michigan. We're in Detroit tonight. I'm Ross Jones, 7 Action News.
All right.